Hello and welcome to the video series on Git Kraken. Today we're going to talk about merging. In the last video we saw how we can merge and what is the concept behind merging when we merge one branch into another branch. So now let's see how we can merge different branches. So we have 4 branches in total: master branch, feature branch 1, feature branch 2, and feature branch 3. So, and let's see how many files we have in all these branches. So if I select the master branch, so at the master branch we have 2 commits, right? You can see here we have 2 commits at the master branch. So master branch is here, and all the commits below this icon are related to the master branch. So we have 2 commits. In the initial commit we only have readme.md file, and in the second commit we have 2 files, file 1 and file 2. And now let's see how many commits we have for the feature branch. For the feature branch, as you can see, this feature branch is, we created this feature branch from the master branch. So here is the link of the feature branch, and we have 3 commits, 1, 2 and 3. So let's click on the first commit. So at this commit we have 1 file, which is file 2, and as you can see, this is a modified file. So file 2 is also there in the master branch. So let's click on this one. Let's see this. This commit is related to the master branch, and we have file 1 and file 2. So this plus sign shows that we added new files to this branch, right? And then we modified file 2. When we created this feature branch, we modified file 2, and that's why we have this pencil icon. Then for the second commit on feature branch 1, we added a new file called feature file 1, right? And then we added and we modified another file, which is file 2. So the file 1 and the file 2 were initially there at the master branch. When we created the feature branch, we got all the files that were there in the master branch. We modified file 1 and file 2, and then we added a new feature file. So let's try to change something in the feature branch. I have already checked out feature branch, and so this is the file 2, and let me add some comment here. New, some modifications. So I added one line, which is some modifications. Just add 2 words, and let's add something. Now we can create a new commit, or we can amend the last commit, right? So what I want to do is I want to create a new commit to show you a new commit. I will save this file. And now we have one file. It says one file change in working directory. So let's view the change. Okay, so this file we just changed. Let's stage this file and say changes implemented. Okay, and let's commit this change. So now we have 4 commits on the feature branch, right? We have this commit, which is the updation of file 2. Then we added a new file with the name of feature file 1. Then we have we added something. We added some text in the file 2, and then in the last commit we again added something. We implemented some change. Okay, so now let's merge feature branch 1 into the master branch, right? So to merge this, I can right click on this master branch icon, and I can select this option, merge feature branch 1 into master, or I can right click here and I can say merge feature branch 1 into a master. So let me use this option. I can click here and I can say merge feature branch 1 into the master. And now the merge has been done. As you can see, we have a merge commit, which is merge branch feature branch 1. So we merged the feature branch one into the master branch. So now if I click on this master branch and I checked out this master branch and I have clicked view all files, so I can see all the files, feature file one, which actually is a file we created at the feature branch one. Then we have file one, then we have file two, and then we have readme file. So we have all the files here at the master level. So we merge feature branch into the master branch. So I hope this will be helpful for you, and you must have understood the concept of merging. And as you can see the link, this link also shows, these lines shows you that where we are branching off or where we are merging into. So if you look at these lines of the Git Kraken tool, so you can easily understand. That's it. I will see you in next lecture. Thank you.